Hi, everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to share chicken stuffed beguni recipe. So delicious and unique recipe. You can try coming Ramadan. Chicken marination preparation. Minced chicken 1 cup. Soy sauce 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Black pepper 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Garam masala 1/2 teaspoon. Chili powder 1 tablespoon. Ginger and garlic paste 2 teaspoon. Mix well. Rest for 30 minutes. Batter preparation. Garam flour 1 cup. Chili powder 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Garlic powder 1 teaspoon. Ginger powder 1 teaspoon. Rice flour 1/3 cup. Mix well. Add water as required. Done. Rest for 10 minutes. Eggplant. Cut into thin slices. I cut some moon shape. Spread the chicken on the eggplant. Eggplant slice. Press. Done. Baking powder 1/2 teaspoon. Pinch of red food color. Oil 2 tablespoons. Mix. Chicken stuffed eggplant deep with flour mixture. Fry until golden brown and crispy. Flip. Done. Ready to serve. Thanks for watching.